Hello students, how are you all? Today we will discuss about Newton's laws of gravitation. But before discussion these laws, I want to ask you a question. Do you know universe? Yes, universe. But if I ask you, do you know heavenly bodies? Heavenly bodies, yes. Like planets, all the satellites, like moon, etc. Then stars, sun. These all are called heavenly bodies. And Newton said that all these heavenly bodies attracts each other. Yes, there is a force of attraction between all the heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means, as I told you, planets, satellites, stars, sun, etc. All are heavenly bodies. All the heavenly bodies, they attract each other. There is a force of attraction between them. This is what Newton said. And we call that force, that force of attraction by which all the heavenly bodies attracts each other, we call it force of gravitation. Understood? And Newton said this force of gravitation depends on two things. The first thing is their masses, means masses of those heavenly bodies, and the distance between the heavenly bodies. I want to tell you that the whole explanation. See, say this is the planet whose mass is capital M. Here is another planet whose mass is small m. Now Newton said that these two planets will always attract each other by a force. That force is called force of attraction, I mean force of gravitation. And Newton said that this force of gravitation is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Understood? So force of attraction, I mean force of gravitation, is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Fine. Newton also said that this force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Yes. Now what is the distance between them? Say d is the distance between them. Then Newton said this force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Yes, inversely. This is directly. This is inversely. What is the meaning of these two? Here Newton said it's directly proportional. Directly proportional means if masses are increasing, then force of attraction will also increase. Got it? Here he said force of attraction is inversely proportional to the distance. Inversely proportional means if the distance increases, force of attraction will reduce. Understood? Here mass is increasing, force is also increasing. Here distance is increasing, force is reducing. Understood? So these two are the laws of Newton's laws of gravitation. Got it? Now I will combine these two. By combining these two, I can write force proportional mm by d square. Understood? Now if this proportional sign I will change into equal sign, equal to mm by d square. Fine. Since I have converted this proportional sign into equal sign, so one constant should come. Yes. When you are changing a proportional sign into equal sign, you have to put one constant. Here I will take G is the constant, capital G. Yes. So what is capital G? Capital G is the constant and we call it gravitational constant. Correct? Gravitational constant. It has a value. Yeah, fixed value. What is the fixed value? Capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Understood? This is the value of capital G. What is capital G? Gravitational constant. Understood? So this is the main equation. This equation is required to solve the numericals of physics, and we have to also know the value of capital G, which I have written here. Understood? Thank you.